The credit union sector in the UK is extremely fragmented. There are about 450 credit unions and the average balance sheet size is £500,000. Countries like the US, Australia or Ireland, as a matter of fact, where the mutual sector, the credit union sector itself is a very large part of the personal unsecured loan market. And in the UK they play a role, they're about 1%. There is this sort of near prime, which is people that basically sit in the middle of the income spectrum. I think at that segment we really offer a very compelling product. And the credit unions are naturally well positioned for this. The Gojoko is ultimately a technology platform. And the credit unions have, being membership organizations, can't raise equity. So they're always strapped for cash. So what we did is we basically said we will offer basically this investment in the technology using Persistent, of course, to help us develop this project. And they've been an extreme help in getting us to the place we're in now. They support us continuously in making sure that we're basically up there with the best in the market. When we went into this market, we chose Mambo, which has been a fantastic cloud-based banking system that we use. And we've used the software developed by Persistent to integrate, basically fill the piece between the aggregation of loans and basically the booking into Mambo. And that has worked brilliant. I mean, I say Mambo is a fantastic platform. We run all the credit unions that we support on this platform. There's continuously new players entering the market. There's also a significant amount of money. And these are extremely wealthy organizations with a lot of financial power. So we have to obviously be able to compete with these type of players and being basically nimbler and faster, I think, than they are, and use the advantages that we see we have. And obviously with Persistent, we have the ability to scale the development as we need it. You know, as it changes, obviously, if we see new market interest coming in, we can very quickly adjust to this new market, these new environments. Currently, the loan market is reasonably standardized in the way loans are underwritten and the way we basically assess the creditworthiness of borrowers. What the credit unions have done in the past is they've tried to play very much in the underbanked sector, which they're not really suited for many reasons, but also it's not a sustainable business model because that is a very small market and it's very, very labor intensive to give people loans on usually benefits. It's an IT-driven solution that we offer that will basically make the sector a valuable contributor to the loan market, particularly catering to the near-prime loan market, people with fair or challenged credit histories that would not be able to get loans at fair prices. We basically offer them the chance that they would not have to end up with high-cost lenders. There's a moral imperative here. It's the Archbishop of Canterbury who's asked for the credit union sector to step up and basically help out this market segment with people who can't access cheap credit. I think we're here to fulfill that role.